Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your Earbuds QCY Buds ANC using application. You have to start by open QCY application. And if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu. Right here you need to go to the settings at the middle top. And then you will see this menu, you need to scroll down. At the bottom you will see more settings and you need to click on it. And right here at the third line we have reset to factory. So click on it and then click OK. After that we need to check is it removed from your phone. And now as you can see there's no connection, so we need to remove these earbuds from your phone. Click the information icon or settings icon near to it and then forget device. Now forget device again. If you have Android, after that click pair new device. At the top you will see this button. And after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. So you just tap on it at the device list and you will reconnect it with your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like in the video. See you later!